gentlemen, boys and girls, at this time we are proud to present the alphabet from A to Z. Some letters are made of straight lines and some are curvy and round, but every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah! The B says b. The C says k. And the D says d.
The E says eh.
And the F says f. The G says g.
And the H says
The I says eh.
and the J says J.
The K says k. And the L says oh.
The M says
And the N says The O says ah.
And the P says
The Q says qua. And the R says The S says and the T says t.
the U says and the B says
The W says what. And the X says x. The Y says yeah.